Hello, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of vegetarian meal prepping. I'm a huge meal prepper. Well, usually I food prep, but today I'm in the mood for meal prepping. So just having like ready to go meals in the fridge, making them in bulk. Now, since it's just me, what I like to do is reuse a lot of my ingredients because I don't like spoiling food. I don't like having things go bad in the fridge. So I like to use up everything and kind of make it across different meals, if that makes sense. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be making a soup. Yes, I'm making soup in the summer. So I'm making a soup and I'm also making a stir fry. So really quick, really easy. Both meals usually, like cooking them both, it usually takes me just about an hour to like fully prep, cook, clean up, all of the above, and you're good to go. So really great if you just have an hour's time, you don't want to use a ton of ingredients, and you want to decent meals to have in your fridge throughout the week. So let's get started. So I've pretty much laid everything out that I'm gonna be using. Now, ideally, I thought I had big carrots, but I don't. So ideally you would wanna use those. I'm just gonna be using baby carrots instead because I love carrots in a soup as well as a stir fry. Yeah, what I like to do is use a lot of the same ingredients, especially if you're just one or two people. It's just easier to use everything up and get a few meals out of it. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. So I have some celery, mushrooms, a pepper, carrots, garlic, little seashells for the soup, and then I have broccoli here that I'm gonna be using in the stir fry. What I like to do when I'm prepping two meals in one go is do them both simultaneously. That way it's just much easier. You know, you're chopping everything all at once, you're cleaning up everything all at once. It just makes everything a little bit more streamlined and a much quicker process. I forgot onion. Obviously we can't have stir fry and soup without onion. So I already had some of this chopped up here. Then I've chopped up, so the peppers and the carrots, this will be for the stir fry portion. And then I just chopped the carrots a little bit differently for the soup. That's what's up. We have the celery, so that'll be split between the stir fry and the soup as well. Now, I don't really measure anything either. I just kind of throw things into both of these meals. So these are honestly really great if you just have things in your fridge too that you're wanting to get rid of or use up really quickly, and you can split them between the two dishes. But yeah, otherwise I don't measure. I just kind of cut things up and throw them in and go with the flow. The soup is honestly super low maintenance to make. I'm just popping in all of the ingredients here. I already had the onions and the celery and the mushrooms sizzling on there a little bit. Then I add in the carrots. I love using mushroom broth, but you can go ahead and use whatever you like. And then I also add in about 2 cups of water on top of that and bring that to a boil before I add in the pasta. As for spices, I decided on basil and oregano. Now, of course, you can do whatever you like. And once again, I'm not really measuring here. I just kind of sprinkle things in and then see how it tastes and go from there. And I also like to add in a ton of salt and pepper as well. For the stir fry, I'm just gonna make a little sauce with soy sauce, a little molasses, and then we also have ginger. Might pop an extra little bit of garlic in there too. I have two of these huge containers here. So this one usually fits the soup, and then this one will fit the stir fry here, and I can just pack them up and store them in the fridge. So there we have it. We have the soup and we have the stir fry. Now these I'll just pack away and keep in the fridge throughout the week, and then I have lunch or dinner on the fly, which is always really nice. For the soup, I mean, this size container, it's pretty big. This usually gives me about 4-ish bowls of soup, and this would probably give me about three, maybe 4 plates of stir fry. You enjoyed watching this video and gave you a little inspiration to meal prep and have some stuff ready to go throughout the week. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next video.